Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to fix overheating issue in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. There can be multiple reasons of overheating. So the first method is don't use apps in background. So as you can see there are multiple apps running in my background and it will overheat my mobile. So close them. The second option is go to settings, then go to battery and go to charging settings and disable fast charging. Why? Because fast charging overheats your mobile and it will cause overheating issue. And the third option is use original charger for charging. So it will eventually resolve your overheating issue. If you are still facing this issue, then I will recommend you to go to service center or check your battery. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next one.